Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you exactly how to pay using your N26 virtual card in store fast, simple and secure way. So let's dive in. If you're paying online, it is super easy. Just enter your virtual card details like you would with any physical card. Buy for in-store payments. So now here is what to do. You have to launch the N26 app on your phone. Then you have to tap on cards after logging in. If you're not logged in, then logged in first, then tap cards in the bottom right section. You will get it at the bottom right section. Then you have to tap your virtual card, then select add to Apple Wallet or Google Pay option, then follow the prompts to add it to your mobile wallet. Okay, so once it is added, you are ready to pay. Then on iPhone you can double click the side button, or if you are using Android or Samsung you can open Google Pay on your device. It may vary slightly, but on all the device it is pretty much same the process. So select your N26 virtual card after opening the app, then tap pay with passcode if you're using iPhone or Samsung, then authenticate with Face ID or fingerprint. Hold your phone near the card reader. Boom, you have just paid with your N26 virtual card like a pro. So this is how all you can do it. So if this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick guides like this. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.